Investing in 2025 requires a combination of traditional principles, cutting-edge technology, and an understanding of emerging market trends. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, having a strategic approach is essential for maximizing returns while managing risk. This detailed guide from ChronoSense will cover the best investment strategies for 2025, emerging trends in finance and technology, asset classes to consider, stocks, real estate, crypto, etc., risk management techniques, step-by-step investing roadmap, the core principles of investing in 2025. Before diving into specific assets, it's crucial to understand the golden rules of investing. Diversification is key. The best portfolios spread risk across different asset classes, sectors, and geographical locations. In 2025, smart investors combine traditional assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, with newer investment vehicles, crypto, AI-driven funds, alternative assets. Long-term versus short-term investing. Long-term investing, ideal for wealth building, retirement, real estate, blue-chip stocks. Short-term investing includes trading stocks, options, crypto, or high-yield bonds for quick gains. Risk versus reward balance. Higher risk yield potential for higher rewards, crypto, growth stocks, startups. Lower risk yield more stability, bonds, dividend stocks, ETFs, real estate. A balanced portfolio mixes both safe and high-growth investments. Top investment trends and opportunities in 2025. These emerging trends will shape the future of investing. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. AI-driven trading and robo-advisors are revolutionizing portfolio management. Investing in AI stocks, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, etc., is a hot sector. AI-powered funds manage portfolios with real-time market analysis. Sustainable and ESG investing. Green energy stocks, solar, EVs, wind power, hydrogen energy. Companies with strong ESG, environmental social governance practices, tend to outperform long-term. Carbon credits and impact investing are growing markets. Cryptocurrency and blockchain expansion. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain strong digital assets. New blockchain projects, Web3, DeFi, tokenized real estate. Institutional adoption of crypto will drive demand. Metaverse and digital real estate. Virtual land and digital assets, Decentraland, Sandbox, etc. NFTs tied to real-world assets, tokenized property and art. High-interest savings and bonds, post-inflation economy. Treasury bonds and corporate bonds are offering higher yields. High-yield savings and CDs for safer investments with solid returns. The best assets to invest in for 2025. Stocks, equities, high growth potential. The stock market remains one of the best long-term investment vehicles. Here's how to invest wisely in 2025. Best stock categories to buy. Tech stocks, AI, cloud computing, robotics, e.g. Apple, Google, Nvidia, Microsoft. Healthcare and biotech, aging population equals growth, e.g. Moderna, Johnson & Johnson. Renewable energy, solar, wind, EVs, e.g. Tesla, NextEra Energy. Dividend. Stocks provide steady passive income, e.g. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson. ETFs and index funds, safer stock market investments. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, track broad market indexes and provide instant diversification. S&P 500 ETFs, VOO, SPY, VTI. Best for long-term passive investing. Thematic ETFs, RKK, QQQ, TAN, focus on AI, tech, and innovation. Dividend ETFs, VYM, SCHD, great for passive income investors. Real estate, physical and digital. Real estate investing in 2025 is evolving. Consider these strategies. Physical real estate investing. Rental properties, single-family homes, multifamily, Airbnb. Generates passive income. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Invest in property without owning it. Commercial and industrial real estate. Warehouses and data centers are booming. Digital real estate and tokenized properties. Buying virtual land. Decentraland, the sandbox. Tokenized real estate. Platforms like RealtyBits. With interest rates fluctuating, bonds remain a safe, stable option. Government bonds, US Treasuries, TIPS, low risk, steady returns. Corporate bonds, higher yield but slightly more risk. High interest savings and CDs, best for those who want guaranteed returns. Cryptocurrency and Web3 investments. Crypto remains a high-risk, high-reward asset class. Key strategies for 2025. Top cryptos to invest in. Bitcoin, BTC, the #1 store of value in crypto. Ethereum, ETH, smart contracts and DeFi leader. Solana, Sol and Polygon, Matic, growing ecosystems. Stablecoins, USDC, USDT, for hedging against volatility. DeFi, Web3 and staking. Staking Ethereum and Solana, else passive income. Yield farming and DeFi lending, ARV Compound. NFTs tied to real-world assets, RWA tokens. How to build your investment portfolio in 2025. Business investor. Strategy. 60% stocks, ETFs, blue chip stocks. 20% bonds, GovT bonds, CDs. 10% real estate, REITs. 10% crypto, BTC, ETH. Aggressive growth investor strategy. 50% growth stocks, tech, AI, biotech. 20% ETFs and index funds. 20% crypto, BTC, ETH, Solana. 10% private equity startups. Passive income investor strategy. 40% dividend stocks and ETFs. 30% real estate and REITs. 20% bonds and fixed income. 10% crypto staking. Risk management and final investing tips. How to avoid mistakes. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Avoid hype stocks and FOMO investing. Don't put all your money into one asset class. Smart investing tips for 2025. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount every month. Use robo-advisors. AI investing tools like Wealthfront, Betterment. Stay informed. Follow market trends and financial news. Final thoughts. Best investing strategy for 2025. Diversify your investments, stocks, real estate, bonds, crypto. Leverage AI tools for smarter decision-making. Think long-term and avoid panic selling.